Looking for an urban lifestyle with a modern feel? The villas at Legacy West offer the perfect setting for homeowners looking for the convenience of upscale retail and dining within walking distance.
Built by Britton Homes, the villas at Legacy West are single-family modern luxury homes. Their ideal location complements residents seeking a low-maintenance lifestyle in a high-end community. They feature bright and airy floor plans, clean lines, and upscale aesthetics. We can't wait to give you a look inside this unique home.
Welcome to 7821 Element Avenue, Plano, Texas. This stunning home features 4 bedrooms, 4 full bathrooms, and 2 powder rooms, an elevator, 3 living areas, 3 garage spaces, and approximately 4,000 square feet of living space.
The beautiful interior of this home makes it truly one-of-a-kind property. As soon as you step into this home, you can see how it has been professionally designed with custom features and improvements throughout each room. You can't help but enjoy the gorgeous light fixtures, wall coverings, beautiful flooring, and private outdoor space. The kitchen is equipped with top appliances, quartz countertops, and a waterfall island. Entertaining is a must on this floor.
The tandem garage space has been converted to an art studio with air conditioning and can easily be converted back to a garage space if desired.
When you are ready to proceed to the 2nd and 3rd floors, the elevator certainly is a convenient option. On the 2nd floor, you will find the stunning primary suite with a sitting area, balcony, and an abundance of natural light. The spa-like bath is enveloped in marble tile and offers an oversized shower, freestanding tub, and 3 walk-in closets. This floor is completed with a library, 2 bedrooms, and 2 full baths.
The 3rd floor features a spacious game room with wet bar and a custom glass-enclosed wine closet. The large balcony on this floor is just extraordinary, with fireplace and a water feature. Thank you for taking the time to view this lovely urban home with us today. If you'd like more information about this home or Legacy West, feel free to call either of us or go to janritchie.com. I'm Jan Ritchie.
And I'm Donna Aiken, and we look forward to seeing you on our next home tour.